In this presentation, we are going to discuss about user and operating system interface. The contents are user and OS interface, system call, system programs. The user interfaces are command-based interface, graphical user interface, touch-based interface, voice-based interface, gesture-based interface. Command-based interface. Here, the requires are sent to the system by the user to enter the commands to perform the different tasks like creating, opening, editing or deleting a file. So using the commands, our requests are performed. In the graphical user interface, user run programs or give instructions to the computer in form of icons, menus and other visual options. Icons usually represent files and programs stored on the computer, and the windows represents running programs that the users has launched through the operating system. Then the third one is touch-based interface. So the user requests are given to the OS by the touch screen. So using the touch screen, a user provide input to the operating systems which are interpreted by the OS as the commands like opening a file, closing a file, dialing a number, scrolling across the applications, etc. The fourth one is voice-based interface. The operating system has a command by the voice input. So in this modern computers have been designed to address the needs of all types of users, including people with the special needs and peoples who want to interact with the computers or smartphones while doing some other task. The final one, gesture-based interface. So here the some smartphones based on Androids and iOS as well as the laptops let users interact with the device using gesture like waving, tilting, eye motions and shaking. This technology is evolving faster and it has promising potential for applications in gaming, medicine and other areas. The next topic is system call. Actually, the user mode is transferred to the kernel mode by using the system call. If the user requests to be handled or managed by the system call. So the system call is the mechanisms that provide the interface between the process and operating systems. So it is a programmatic method in which the computer program requests a service from the kernels of the OS. The need of system call is for reading a demand file. If the file want to created or deleted, the system calls are requires. The system calls is also used for the creations and managements of a new process, and the network connections need system calls for sending or receiving the package, then access the hardware devices like a scanner, printers using the system call. Then the system programs. The system programs are file manipulations, status information, file modification, programming language support, program loading and executions, communications, application programs. Okay, thank you.